Hi, want to know फायदे की बात? HDFC Securities is bringing you a host of exciting फायदे के features on its trading platforms to help you trade smart and fast. Let's dive in. फायदे का feature number 1, Excel-based trading. If you are an active trader and you use spreadsheets to plan your trades, you will love this feature. Get ready to track live prices of securities and apply custom formulae to them in Excel. What's better, you can place order directly from the Excel sheet. This feature also works with options chains as well. Isn't it फायदे की बात for traders? All these and many more फायदे के features are available with HDFC Securities. Visit hdfcsec.com/फायदे के features for more information.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.